We finished the topic nouns and we're going to start a new topic. Any idea what we're going to start today?
Material noun.
No. We finished nouns. So how can we start material nouns again?
Adjective.
No, it's not adjective. It's articles. Articles. Do you know what is an article?
No.
Do you know which are the articles of English grammar?
And
Any idea?
A and the.
A and then the. Okay. So how many kinds of articles are there? You said A and the are the articles. So which are the two kinds of article? Have you learned that?
Vowels and consonants.
No. That's not articles, my dear. They are definite article and indefinite article. So which are the two articles? Definite and indefinite article.
Definite articles.
Definite and indefinite articles. So what is indefinite? A or an coming under indefinite, and which is definite? The will be definite. So today we'll see indefinite article. How to use indefinite article in sentences. Shall we start?
Yes.
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 Can you all see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Blue.
Which are the two kinds of articles I've told?
A and
No. Which are the two kinds of articles?
Definite articles and indefinite articles.
Yeah. Indefinite, then
definite.
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 So, what are coming under indefinite?
A
And. And definite is?
The.
Till this, is it clear? Is it clear till this? Okay. So, we are going to learn indefinite articles today. Okay. How to use indefinite articles. Shall we start? Yes. And before that, let me ask you a question. Do you all know vowels and consonants in English?
Yes. Yes.
Very clearly. Okay. So which are the vowels? Tanvi. What are the vowel sounds?
A, E, I, O, U.
I owe you.
And the remaining will
A, E, I, O,
go
U.
under consonants, isn't it?
Consonants.
If A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, the remaining letters will go under consonants. Okay. So you have already learned to use a or an in the smaller classes. You might have heard a is used in front of the consonants and an is used in front of the vowels. Have you heard this before?
Yes.
Yes. A is always in front of consonant sounds. See, I used consonant sounds. See here, clearly sounds. I haven't used letters. There is a reason for that. And is used in front of vowel sounds. See, I could have used letters instead of sounds. Why I use sounds? Why I use sounds? There is a reason. Have a look here. We'll start with the simple ones, which you have learned in first standard. Okay, So which vowel, article is used in front of egg? Which is the article coming in front of egg?
A.
And.
And. Okay. Then what about back?
A.
A. So the basic rule, I just wrote on the board and you said it wrongly. Okay, what is the basic rule of a or an? An is always used in front of vowel sounds and a is used in front of consonant sounds. See the sounds, that is very important. It's not simply letters. I'll tell you why I said sounds. Look at here. How do you read this word? Can anyone read this word? Manas, can you read this word?
Honest.
Manas?
Honest. Honest. Honest.
Is it honest or honest?
Honest.
Yes. What is the correct pronunciation?
Honest.
H is silent. We won't pronounce H. It is O. Honest. So what should be written in front of this? Which article will come?
Honest.
Is it A or an?
And.
And.
Why do we use an here?
Because vowel.
With the vowel.
Because it's
it
vowel.
starts with
O
a
is vowel.
vowel sound. You have to say it starts with a vowel
If-
sound. Got
If
it?
it is not,
If it is not, if H is pronounced, what you will use? A.
O.
Okay.
Next the H.
Yeah.
What it is?
I got it. It depends
Yes.
upon the pronunciation of words. If it starts with a vowel sound, always we have to use an. If it starts with a consonant sound, we have to use a. Is it clear? Now, tell me, this is Arpita. Nainika, can you tell me what article will you use here?
And.
Okay, I wrote an here, but it's wrong. It's wrong. You know why? Seeing this E, don't use an over there. What is the pronunciation? How do you read this word? How do you read this word? Is it European something? Is it European? No. How do you read the word?
Europe.
European. What is it?
European.
Europe.
Which is the sound coming?
European.
It's a consonant. It's a consonant sound, isn't it?
Europe.
Europe. Europe.
Europe.
Yes. You got the difference?
Yes.
Got the difference? That's why we have to use always A, because the sound is a consonant. Is it clear?
Instead of U, we will add Y.
Why? You should not add, you should say. You should pronounce it as
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So the next letter is not an vowel.
We are not considering the next letter. We just see the pronunciation. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes.
Another word for you. Same thing. How to pronounce? How to pronounce?
Europe.
Europe. So A.
Europe.
Got it? Got it.
Europe.
So these are the different cases. That's why I clearly specified an is used in front of vowel sound and A is used in front of consonant sounds. Is it clear? Another word.
Uniform. 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 Uniform.
Okay. Tell me which article will come in front of all these words. Niranjan, can you say Niranjan? I'll ask you Niranjan, others please.
Yes, ma'am.
Niranjan, can you try? Can you hear me, Niranjan?
Ma'am.
Yeah, try to say that. Is it a or an?
It is
And
It's an. Is it correct?
yes. That pronounced as Y.
Haha. If it is y, why do we have to use an?
You.
Read the word, Niranjan. Try to read the word.
Uniform.
Try to read the word.
Uniform.
It's not uniform. It's not useful. It's yeah. Again, the same sound we use for
Yeah, ma'am. That's only I tell.
yes. Yes. So how do you read it? Now you read it again.
Uniform. Uniform.
Uniform. Useful.
Uniform.
University.
Oh.
So
Universe.
always it should be a.
A.
Always it should be
Uniform.
a.
Useful. University.
Yes. Yes. You should know the reason also. You should not simply use the article. You should know the reason why we use it. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes. Now we'll go to some questions.
What is it? Before these notes. Okay.
Is it clear?
Orange.
Okay.
Orange.
Insert
Orange.
a
Orange.
or
Orange.
an before these nouns. Okay. Srihari.
Animal.
Srihari. Others, please mute. Somebody is trying to say the answers or someone is trying to read. Please don't read now. Srihari. Srihari. Unmute. Srihari, can you hear me? Srihari. Okay, Maria. Maria, just unmute. Maria. Maria, can you hear me? Maria. Yes, Maria, just try the first one. Which article will come here? Think. Think.
Rabbit. Honest man.
Maria?
Wait.
Yeah. Just try to read that.
No. Rat.
Maria, unmute. Yeah. Yeah. What is that? I can't hear you. Just say louder. Yeah. You're not using a microphone, I think. Yeah. Can you see the board, Maria?
Yes.
Yes, then you just read it.
Orange.
It's orange. Okay. So which is the article used in front of orange? An. Okay. Got it? Now, Jenica, just unmute. Jenica, just read the second one.
Animal.
Animal. Which animal? Is it a or an? An. Okay, very good. Then, Tanvi, read the next one.
Okay. Intelligent girl.
Yeah, intelligent girl. So which article will come? An. Siddhi, try to read the next. Unmute.
1 rupee coin.
1 rupee coin. You have to think here, think and read. How do we read the word? Let's read the first word.
1.
1. 1. So which is the sound coming when you read? Is it a consonant? Is it a consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Consonant sound, isn't it? So which is the consonant sound you hear when you say 1?
V.
1. Oh yeah, very good. So which article will come there?
A.
Yeah, very good. It's a 1 rupee coin. Saying O, don't think that it's a vowel. The sound is of a consonant. Now Srihari is back. You try to read the 5th. I can hear some sound. Please, all of you please mute. I want only Srihari to speak. Yeah. Srihari, unmute. Yeah. Make it fast. 5th one.
Dash you an European.
Is it correct? Is it an European? Will it be an European? Think. Just now I told you. How to read that word? How to read that word? Srihari?
European.
Yeah should be the sound. European. It's not a European or something. It's European. So what will be the article? If it is your sound, what will be the article? Srihari?
A. A European.
Yeah, it's a European. Now Aryan, just unmute Aryan. Unmute, okay. Aryan, can you read the next one?
AMLA.
Why do we use AMLA?
Because the M is
It's wrong, dear. It's not AMLA. It's wrong. It's wrong. Why? Why I told it's wrong? Can anyone say the reason? He said AMLA because he saw a consonant over here. But is it correct, Felix? Can you say the reason? Felix, what is the reason? What will be the correct answer, Felix?
It should be that.
It should be what? Yeah. Felix, which article will come here? How do we read the word MLA? MLA. So when you read, is it M sound coming or this one? Which sound is coming first? Try to read the word. All of you try to read the word. MLA. So which is the sound coming? Is it M or this? The vowel, isn't it? A sound. So what should be the article here? MBA, MBBS, MA. Everywhere we have to use an. Abbreviation. These are abbreviations, short forms. Okay. So there, because seeing the pronunciation, we have to use an. Then next one, that is very easy. Danvin. Danvin, just unmute and say the next one.
Rabbit.
It's rabbit. So simple.
A.
Okay. You don't have to think too much because it's a consonant sound. Then, Irene, you want to try once again? The next one. Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to try now.
I'll give you a chance. Wait. Aryan? Can you hear me, Aryan?
And university.
Is it correct? What about others? Is it correct?
A university.
Now you changed. Why? You have to tell me the reason. If you change immediately, you have to say the
Because
reason.
it pronounced Y.
Very good. The sound is of a Y. Very good. Very good. Now, Navneet, try the next one. Can you hear me, Navneet? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Dash friend.
Hmm.
A friend.
A friend. That is easy. Then Mayuk. Try the 10th one.
An honest.
Yeah, it's an honest one. What is the reason, Mayuk? Why do we use an here?
Because H is silent.
Because H is silent, we pronounce it as honest. H is silent. Then the 11th one.
Honest.
Got it? 11.
Honesty.
Can you see the 11th one? Who will read? Janvi, can you try the 11th, the last one?
A useful method.
It's A. Why do we use A there? What is the reason, Janvi? Because?
U is pronounced as Y.
Very good. Year sound. Now you got the difference? Now you understood why I told you have to use A in front of consonant sounds and in front of vowel sounds. The sounds, that thing is very important. Always when you get an exercise to do, use articles A or an, you have to see the sound of the first letter. Okay? The sound of the first letter. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
Then tell me, what will you use in front of LLB? You know LLB? LLB. Anyone can say the full form of LLB. Who will get an LLB title? Advocates, right? Isn't it? The lawyers. Okay, Arpida, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Which article you will use in front of LLB? Is it A or an? Try to say that word in your mind, then you say the article.
An.
Yes. Why do we use an? L is consonant. Why still we use an? What is the reason, Arpida? What is the reason? Can anyone say the reason? Can anyone say the reason? Riza? Try Riza.
Ma'am, this when we say L, first sound is coming E only.
Yeah, a sound, isn't it? It's a vowel sound.
So we will use
Okay,
an.
so we have to use an. Now we got the difference? Is it clear to you, the use of A and an? Very much clear?
Yes.
Anyone still any doubt with regarding any word, you can ask me. Okay. Try this out. Okay. Can you see the board?
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you a chance to those who haven't got a chance. Okay. Krishnananda, unmute. Just say which article we can use in front of this.
An.
Why do we have to use an here? How do you read this word, Krishnananda? Just try to read the word. Just read the word.
Holy city.
Yeah, holy. When you say holy, which sound is coming? Consonant or vowel?
A holy city. A holy city.
Holy. Is it holy? No. H is not silent here. So what should be the article, Krishnananda?
A.
A. It should be A. It's not an, because H is not silent here. You got it? So you often make a mistake of all these words. That's why. Seeing this H, you may think that it's silent. It's not silent. You have to try to read the word. Before you fill, you have to try read. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sarah. Sarah Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to use an article here, whether it will be a or an.
And ma'am,
Is it correct?
And.
How do you read this word?
ear.
Ear. Is it this other ear which we have on both the sides?
No.
No. So how do you read this? Ear.
Ear.
Ear. This is pronounced. It's not silent. So what should be the article? What should be the
A.
article? A. It's always
A.
A. A ear. It's not an ear. It's not an ear. But people say an ear. It's wrong. It's A. Because Y is not silent. Y is not at all silent. Okay. So, but when we use this, what should be the article here?
And.
An. Got the difference?
And how and.
Okay.
Okay.
Then, what about here? Island. The word is island. Joanne, try to say.
Ma'am.
Unmute. Unmute.
Ma'am, I. Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah, and. Because it's pronounced, it's not silent, it's island. I sound is a vowel. Got the difference? Now I hope everything is clear to you. I hope everything is clear to you. So, have you all finished doing the worksheets for nouns up to 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay, very
Yeah,
good.
ma'am.
So, some of you are still saying no. Some of you are still saying no.
Ma'am,
So, our next class is on Thursday. By tomorrow, you try to finish all the worksheets up to 9. And on Thursday, I'll send the answer key. So you can check your answers with the answer key. Because it's not possible for me to check it physically. So I'll be sending the answer key on Thursday. So you can check all your answers up to worksheet now, 9. Okay? Then after that, try to complete the notes of articles. Then we will do the first worksheet of article. That is worksheet 10. Fill in the blanks using A or an. Okay. Now, as you know the rules, you have to apply the rules when you use articles. Okay. Hope the rules are very clear. So, what is the rule in front of an? Tell me, Izan. How do we use an? What we have to think when we use an? Izan.
A vowel sound.
Yeah. The first letter of the word should be a
Should be a
vowel
vowel
sound.
Vowel sound.
Yes, very good. Now, who will say the rule for A? Adidev, try.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you say the question?
What rule should be followed when we use A? The first letter should
Vowel
be
sound.
A. I asked A. Should be always a consonant sound. Okay. In order to use A, we have to see whether the sound is a consonant or not. And in order to use an, we have to see whether it is a vowel. Hope the rules are clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Everything is
ma'am.
clear. Now, when you read the see worksheet 10, read worksheet 10, the first page very clearly. All these rules which we discussed today is written there. So everyone should read worksheet 10, the first few notes. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And then when you do the workbook exercise, it will be very easy for you. So shall we stop?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks,
Yes,
school.
ma'am.
Bye.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.